how to fix Facebook Messenger problem. If you have any problem with the Facebook Messenger, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing guys, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. Wait a few seconds and scroll all the way down until you find the Messenger. Click on Facebook Messenger right here and then click on force stop. After that, go into the storage right here, click on clear cache. Go back and then go to the data usage, disable all these options and enable them back again. And the last thing you want to do now is go back to the settings, go to the wireless and networks, enable the airplane mode and disable it. That's it guys, don't forget to like, subscribe.